Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you how to cast off a beanie without using any waste yarn. I like this method. I have used the waste yarn method, but I prefer this method because it's just quicker, and also the way that I cinch my beanies together, I prefer using this method. So I've just come to the end of my last round of this particular beanie. So what you want to do is you want to take the yarn out of your yarn holder and leave yourself a really good tail. So go round your machine and about that much yarn will be enough. Cut the yarn, and then what you want to do is you just want to turn the handle just a little bit more. Remember to shut the drawer, so that your white pin, which is your last stitch, so it takes the end of the yarn in, because if you don't do that then you'll run the risk of dropping stitches. So for this you're going to need a darning needle. Any large-eyed tapestry needle for your weight of yarn works fine. And then what you're going to do, or the way I do it, you can turn your handle all the way around to release all of the stitches in one go, but I found when I do that I have a habit of dropping the stitches. So what you want to do is you want to turn the handle until the needle goes in. There, can you see it's gone in and it's released your stitch, and you're just going to pop your needle underneath the stitch and pull the yarn through, and then it comes off the little red holders. So you turn the needle handle even, pick up the stitch, and you literally just do this one by one all the way around. You can, if you're feeling confident, take one and take two, but this is when I normally drop stitches, so I don't do more than two. Some people can do loads and they whip round these things. And you can see that as I'm turning the handle round and picking up these stitches, they are becoming detached from the machine, but they're all safely held on the yarn that I'm working with. Just picking off the last two stitches now, and then you should find that your work comes off the machine. And then my favourite bit is just to give it a good stretch to get all those stitches nice. And that is how you cast off. I've got a few more videos showing you how I'm going to cinch this beanie close coming up, so if you liked this video let me know, and if there's anything you'd like to see then give me a shout and I'll see what I can do. See you soon, bye.